Hey guys, today at State 8 Motorcycles, we're talking about a 2022 Honda Goldwing with 11 miles on it. You heard that right. Someone bought this thing and barely left the parking lot. Under the fairing is Honda's 1833cc liquid-cooled flat six. It's now 13 pounds lighter than previous generations with 22% better fuel efficiency. The double wall exhaust pipes keep the heat off your legs and give it the best sound a Goldwing has ever had. This thing is absolutely loaded with tech. On the 7-inch display screen, it comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a built-in navigation system with 10 years of free map updates, tire pressure monitoring, and a 7-speed automatic DCT with walking mode and reverse. This bike was definitely built for the rider's comfort in mind. It comes with heated seats and grips, a trunk and saddlebag that open electronically with 121 liters of combined storage, and an electric adjustable windscreen.